professional singer one day because I started from the bottom. Wala talaga akong pangalan. I never really knew anyone in the music industry. And it's hard to get your name out there. And if you ever dream of being like me one day, just have faith in God and have faith in your dreams. Whatever dreams you have faith in them because I know someday you will achieve them. Because somewhere in your heart, you will achieve them. And I'm actually a Broadway singer, mostly a Broadway singer, because I like acting and singing at the same time. And I get so scared when I'm in front of the camera, so I don't like acting in front of the camera, but I like acting on stage, which is weird, but it's me. So this song is called Sabihin Mo Ikaw Ay Filipino, and wherever you guys will go, whether you go to the States or whether you go around to the Philippines, you always have to say you're a Filipino or a Filipina. Kasi you were born that way, yan ang blood natin. So this song is called Sabihin Mo Ikaw Ay Filipino, and I hope you guys will like it.